Hey everyone, welcome back. This is one of the most important videos on this channel, and it's a topic that almost no training program covers adequately. Let's talk about the legal responsibilities you take on when you start preparing tax returns for money. First, you're personally responsible for every return you sign. Your P10 is on that return. If the return contains errors, the IRS can come after both the client and you. Under IRC 6694, if you take an unreasonable position that results in an understatement of tax, you face a penalty of $1,000 or more. If that understatement is due to willful or reckless conduct, it jumps to $5,000 or 75% of your fee, whichever is greater. These are personal penalties assessed against you as a preparer. Second, you have confidentiality obligations. Under IRC Section 7216, a tax return preparer who knowingly or recklessly discloses any information furnished for the preparation of a return can face criminal penalties, including fines and imprisonment. Your client's information is protected by law, not just by good practice. This means you need secure systems for storing documents, secure methods for transmitting returns, and clear policies about who in your office has access to client data. Third, you need written agreements with your clients. I've talked about engagement letters in other videos, but let me be clear. Without a written engagement letter, you have no documentation of what you agreed to do, what the client agreed to provide, and what your fee was. If a dispute rises, the engagement letter is your primary defense. Fourth, if you hire anyone, even a seasonal assistant, you have employment law obligations, payroll taxes, workers' compensation, anti-discrimination laws, and potentially employee benefits, depending on your state. Don't hire independent contractors when the relationship is actually employment. The IRS and state agencies audit worker classification, and getting it wrong creates real liability. Fifth, your LLC only protects you if you operate it properly. That means maintaining a separate bank account, keeping business and personal finances separate, signing contracts in the entity's name, and maintaining the entity's state filings. If you commingle funds or ignore corporate formalities, a court can pierce the LLC veil and hold you personally liable. Six, if you give advice that goes beyond return preparation, you might be crossing into areas that require additional credentials. Telling a client you should elect S-Corp status is different from telling a client, here's how S-Corp status affects your self-employment tax. One is advice, the other is education. Know the line. This is the content I'm most passionate about teaching, because it's the content that keeps you out of trouble. And it's the content you'll only get from someone who practices law in this area. Check out musespring.com to learn more. And as a quick reminder, everything on this channel is educational and provided through MuseSpring for informational purposes only. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next one.